everybody, and welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. The day is Tuesday, and on Tuesdays, every Tuesday, we explore the nature of the warrior. The warrior governs Tuesdays. And it's strength, power, willpower, passion, energy. Ooh. It's the red color. It's strong smelling fragrances. It's upright posture. Not It's the thirds, the interval of the third, for the third day of the week. And sometimes on Tuesdays I read from a book called Soul Sword, and I'm going to do it again today. The power of cultivating the warrior mind lies in awakening the ability to act unconsciously from a state of no mind, as Zen masters call it. No mind is not really the absence of mind, but rather a mind that functions with the clarity of a mirror. As a mirror reflects objects without clinging to the images, so that it can reflect one object after another without being strained by them, so can your mind respond and let go, free to flow to the next situation without impediment. How do we do this? The way you are sitting right now expresses your state of mind and tells how you perceive yourself. The way you walk or stand does the same. Have you ever watched a person enter a room who exuded power and grace? Have you ever watched a tiger move? Powerful statements are made without a word being spoken. Countenance is an instrument of a warrior. If your posture is good, you may never have to fight. Posture is the outer expression on an inner state. If you can learn to control your posture, walking, sitting, lying, and standing, you will have discovered an effective tool for fine-tuning your mind. Remember, body and mind are neither two nor one, but they complement each other so well that you can train your mind through working on the body and vice versa. So today, stand a little taller, sit a little straighter, embody the elements of the warrior. I'm doing something today that involves my warrior in my vital body. And it's going to be an interesting day. But I picked today, Tuesday, to do that. So you do the same. Do something like that. And this will put you in touch with the energy of today, Tuesday, and the warrior that you have somewhere inside of you.